This is the web interface for the project. The green line shows the number of patients who have been vaccinated, and the red ones show the number of patients who have been scheduled for vaccination. You can also view part of the graph by changing the number of days. This shows the feature trends of different clusters. Here, different vaccination centers across India have been plotted on a map. Here, the cluster percentages of different vaccination centers are plotted. To prevent the spread of misinformation, we have also added a chatbot of our own, which answers COVID-specific questions from the trusted sources like WHO and other sources. Let us now sign up a user and register the user for vaccination. Now the email has to be verified. By clicking over here, the email has now been verified. Let us now log in. Here, the user's dashboard can be viewed. On the dashboard, the nearest vaccination center details are given. Here, as you can see, the patient is in Mysore and the nearest vaccination center is in Coimbatore. So the patient can then register for vaccination by entering different answers. This is it from the user's point of view. He just has to sit back and wait for the notification to arrive. Let us now check out the web interface for the vaccination production center. So this is the super user dashboard, and the super user can view the patient trend throughout India and also different vaccination centers across India and their particular details. This is a particular center, and the super user can view all the details. When a new batch of vaccines are produced, the super user can dispatch the vaccines by entering the number of vaccines in the batch, and then, for example, in this case, top 50,000 most needy patients are sent vaccines to their nearest vaccination centers. Now the task is up to the vaccination center admins to schedule vaccines for those patients. Let us now log in to the interface of the vaccine distribution center to schedule vaccination to different patients. Here the patient trend of the center is shown. As you can see, the user that just registered and has a score of this much is shown here. So the admin can then schedule patients for vaccination. Schedule time slots. Here the vaccination rate could be entered. The vaccination rate is the number of patients vaccinated per hour in that particular center. Say the vaccination rate is 30. Now the following patients have been scheduled time slots for vaccination. So the user has been notified here that the vaccination has been scheduled for that person on this date and in this time slot.